authors speak of how people from long ago had a different way of seeing and being in life. They tell how the ancient ones felt a connection with the source of life and also with Mother Earth, Father Sky, and every living being on the planet. Imagine what it would be like to live with a people who honored kindness, integrity, and peace. A people who lived the wisdom of the ancient ones. They understood how fear brings illusions. Illusions bring doubt. Doubt brings confusion, and confusion brings fear. Thus the cycle of darkness regenerates itself in the mind. However, living within peace, one can cultivate stillness, and stillness brings knowing. Knowing brings truth. Truth brings freedom. Freedom brings joy. Joy brings love. And so it is, we grow in light. You can take a journey with conscious and aware people in the book Grow in Light. It shares how humans strayed from the ancient wisdom of peace and connectedness, and why they moved toward fear, greed, war, and destruction. Can humanity return to a more balanced way of living? This inspiring story shares some keys to an awakened world. Practicing the gentle movements of Tai Chi and Qigong with stillness and positive thoughts can also help one return home to a peaceful center. Blessings and peace.